everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's Mariam Haruna Hussein. So before I proceed in this video, I have some few questions to ask. Have you ever been interviewed in an organization or by any researcher? Have you ever filled a questionnaire form? Have you ever found yourself in selecting a sample and don't know what method to use? So all your answers are in MHH Statistica. So follow MHH Statistica for all your statistical answers. So today I come up with another sampling technique, which is a non-probability sampling. But before I proceed, I have another interesting and entertaining puzzle for you. So what you need to do is to decide your answer and put it in the comment section below. So here is the puzzle. I have 6 matchsticks named A, B, C, D, E and F, and here if you move one matchstick you can form a 4 triangle. Now try and move and see which matchstick to be moved to form a 4 triangle, and put your answer in the comment section. Later on in the video you will see my own answer. So let's begin our class for today. So this episode covers what's a non-probability sampling, convenience sampling, judgmental or purposive sampling, consecutive sampling, and Quota sampling, and Snowball sampling. So let's see a non-probability sampling. In this type of sampling, some criteria other than the laws of probability is used in selecting the items of the study. For example, the accessibility of the element and the opinion of expert, or convenience to the researcher. In addition, a non-probability sampling is a type of sampling in which not everyone in the population has a chance of being selected. Here are the types of non-probability sampling, with the first one, which is a convenience sampling, is a non-probability sampling technique where samples are selected from the population only because they are conveniently available to the researcher. Convenience sampling is the most common non-probability sampling method because of its speed, cost effectiveness, and ease of availability of the sample. In addition, convenience sampling is easy to recruit, and in some research where the population is too large to examine the entire population, convenience sampling is best used. The researcher will select a sample that is convenient to him or convenient to the research topic. Example of a convenient sampling is a street corner surveys in which the experimenter interviews people as they go by, or selection of cartons from the warehouse for study. The next one, which is a judgmental or a purposive sampling. This involves selection of the items in a sample of the basis of the judgment or opinion of one or more persons. Judgmental or purposive sampling is used in most cases when the number of population element is small. The judgmental of an expert may be better than random methods in picking a truly representative sample. In this case, researchers choose only those people who they deem fit to participate in the research study. For example, if an element A is fit, then A will be picked. If element B is not fit, then B will not be picked. The next one, which is a consecutive sampling. This is a non-probability sampling method which is very similar to convenience sampling but with a slight difference. So here the researcher picks a single person or group of samples, conducts research over a period, analyzes the result, and then moves on to another subject or group if needed. In addition, Consecutive sampling gives a researcher a chance to work many topics. The next one, which is a quota sampling. This is a sampling procedure in which certain established guideline determines the elements to be included in the sample. In most cases, a prescribed limit is specified as regards the number of elements to be sampled from each of the non-overlapping groups. In this case, a certain limit of participants is needed to participate in the sample. For example, if there are 100 employees in an organization, technically, the sample to be selected should have proportionate numbers of males and females. This means if a sample of 200 males are selected, equally 200 females would be selected. The last one, which is a snowball sampling. A snowball sampling is also known as a referral or a chain sampling. It's a non-probability sampling technique in which research participants are asked to assist researchers in identifying other potential subjects to form a considerably good sample size. In addition of a snowball sampling, is a method which works like the referral program, in which researcher can refer a friend to perform a task or recruit additional research participants to perform the task. That's the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoy it. Please give this episode a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and share it to your friends. So here is the solution to your puzzle. So now move matchstick B to cross F at right angle. Now you have 4 triangles. See you in my next video.